Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another Balisong tutorial. And for this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys another Balisong loop for beginner. And for this tutorial I'm gonna use my CD Balisong right here. So let's get started. And for the move, gotta be like this. Check out the slow-mo. Alright, to begin, we're gonna start with the bite handle, and the first thing you do is do index rollover. That's gonna be like this, like that. Instead, you close your Balisong like this. Just continue the index rollover with backside thumb rollover. That's gonna be like this. Index rollover. In this position, try to pinch your safe handle like this with your thumb and index finger like this. Gonna pinch like this and let it. So that's when you after you doing index rollover and you going to this position like this. Just try to pinch like your Balisong like this, and that's gonna give you the dual side of the blade. So just let it roll on your thumb like this, like that. That you're gonna end up with this position like this. Again from the beginning, index rollover, pinch your Balisong like this. In this position, just let it roll. Just do back side thumb rollover like that. That's you're gonna end up with in this position like this. So after you get into this position, just continue after this. Just do and again thumb rollover. To do that, just swing your wrist like this. Swing your wrist. Release your forefinger except your thumb and do a thumb rollover like that. So that's gonna give you the bite handle. Again from the beginning, index rollover, pinch like this, backside thumb rollover, this position, swing your wrist like this, release your forefinger except your thumb, and then thumb rollover like that. So that's gonna give you the bite handle. So to avoid the sharp side of the blade, just do a wrist pass like that. Wrist pass gonna be like that, and continue the wrist pass with index rollover. So after you doing a wrist pass, just prepare to put your index finger like here and prepare to do index finger rollover. So that's you're gonna start with you're gonna start all over again from the beginning. Start all over again the loop from the beginning. With index rollover, you're gonna start with index rollover again like this. Pinch like this, backside thumb rollover, this position like this. Swing your wrist, use your forefinger except your thumb, and then thumb rollover. That's gonna give you the byte handle, so do a wrist press so you won't get cut, so you won't cut yourself. And prepare to put your index finger right here and do an index rollover. So that's one complete motion of the loop. Again, you're gonna start all over again from index rollover, like that. I'm sorry. And you're gonna start all over again from the beginning. And for the move, gotta be like this. Alright, that's pretty much for today's tutorial, guys, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.